The first module is Network Fundamentals. In this module, we will discuss what is a network, how many components are there which make a network, what is OSI model, what are different types of network cables, what is an IP address, what is a MAC address. So let's start this module. What is a network? A network is a collection of devices which are connected together for data sharing. These devices could be our mobile phones, they could be laptops, they can be switches, they can be layer 3 routers, they can be layer 2 access points. So they can be any type of devices or any type of components. An example network has been shown here. This network contains a router, a switch and few access points. There are different methods to control the configuration and monitoring of a network, and cloud is one of the method. We will study about different methods like web configuration, like cloud configuration, local console configuration throughout this course and in some advanced courses.